Welcome, today I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. First of all, open your Google application. Then, on the bottom right corner, we got 3 dots and more options, so tap it and choose Settings. Then go into Google Assistant and into this menu scroll down and find General option. And now click here on this feature to turn off Google Assistant. And confirm operation, tap turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.